Hello beauties, welcome to Winnie Styles. We have the style that requires a light styling product to really hold your curls in place. And this style today is a style you really need to rock someday. Maybe you're planning to go for the big chop or you're confused on the kind of hair for your next hair appointment. Please just watch this video to the end because you're not going to regret watching this particular video. Today's style is a style that celebrates the natural beauty of your hair and is a style that is a low maintenance style that emphasizes your smile and your facial features. This haircut today is a style that will take many years off your age because every woman out there wants a hair that will take off 30 years off their age if possible, because the natural texture will provide that vibrant and youthful look we want. Yes, I mean we want, because that is what I want as a woman, and it's the hairstyle that's easy to care for, making it ideal for women with a busy lifestyle. If you're a boss lady or a busy woman, or maybe matured woman, will I say older woman that really want to enjoy that straightforward grooming routine, please watch this video to the end. You can also take this video to your barber or your stylist for them to try and give it a style you're saying, or you can try it at home if you know you cannot style yourself. Because one thing with this hairstyle, it suits all face shapes. It offers that universally flattering, charming appearance every woman really wants. So if you really want to keep the style looking fresh, make sure you use hydrating products that's formulated for just natural coils, and always consider some regular trims that will help to maintain the shape of this hair, not just the shape of this hair but your health. So let me just let you guys to please cover the rest of the styles we have. I just want to appreciate my returning subscribers. I want to appreciate my new subscriber. Please stay look to Winnie Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours. God bless you guys. I love you guys, and see you in my next upload.
So long, fix it for me, Lord. Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. Lord, fix it for me. Does anybody know that only God can fix it? Oh, fix it for me. Oh, Lord, I have a problem only you can solve. So Lord, fix it for me, Lord. Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. Fix it for me. Does anybody know that only God can fix it? Oh, fix it for me. Oh, Lord, I have a problem only you can solve. So Lord, fix it for me, Lord. Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, do it for me. Oh Lord, if you won't do it, then it just won't be done. So Lord, do it for me. Lord, fix it for me. Does anybody know that only God can fix it? Oh, fix it for me. Oh, Lord, I have a problem only you can solve. So Lord, fix it.